This is our Scout 25 pannier system. Our goal with this was to develop a soft pannier that is streamlined, minimalist, and weight efficient, but still connects to the bike with a frame mount and has double layer crash protection and waterproofing. The Scout 25 weighs only 6 pounds per side, making it the lightest frame-mounted pannier system on the market. There are 3 main components to the Scout 25 system. First is a removable dry bag. Second is the mounting harness. And third is the mounting plate. A fourth and optional accessory is this removable MOLLE panel, where you can connect a variety of MOLLE accessories like bottle holders, hydration reservoirs, multi-tools, fixed blade knife, things like that. The Scout 25 is a frame-mounted soft pannier, not a saddlebag. So a frame-mounted soft pannier means it's a lot easier to take the dry bag on and off the bike than it is with a saddlebag, and it also means that your gear is not going to flop around on the bike. The Scout 25 features double layer waterproofing and crash protection. So there's an outer armor surface and an inside dry bag. This outer armor surface has Hypalon on top of polyurethane and then a hard polyethylene stiffener inside. So when you drop the bike, all the abrasion and abuse happens on this outer surface. The outer surface protects the inside welded seam dry bag from abrasion. As long as that inner dry bag is intact, your gear is going to stay dry and clean. The dry bag is really easy to take on and off the bike. Undo these 3 buckles, lift it out. Once the dry bag is removed, it has backpack straps in a hidden pocket on the back. Once the dry bag is removed, you can cinch up the harness tight to the bike so it's not going to flop around. Just take this center strap, open it up, put it through the hole at the bottom of the harness, fold the harness up to the bike like that, and cinch it down. If you're out running around town without the dry bag, the harness is a really convenient spot to store things. Like, for example, say you wanted to take an extra helmet. Say you're out cruising around and you end up picking up some groceries and when you take it back up to your campsite, take it back to your house, you can tuck pretty much any bag inside of this harness, cinch it down, and it'll hold it in place. We also offer this optional MOLLE panel. This mounts on the mounting plate and sits behind the dry bag when the pannier is fully assembled. The MOLLE panel is a great place to mount our 4-liter MOLLE storage bag, which fits a 2-liter MSR dromedary water storage bag. The MOLLE panel is also a great place to mount 2 bottle holders, which will fit these 1-liter MSR fuel storage bottles. You can also mount a Rotopax against the mounting plate and behind the dry bag. We have pre-drilled holes here to accommodate a Rotopax mounting system. When you have a Rotopax or MOLLE accessories mounted, the dry bag sits in front of them inside of the mounting harness. For materials and construction, on the outer harness, we use polyurethane material here and Hypalon here. Hypalon is an extremely abrasion-resistant material that's used frequently in inflatable boats. All of our stitching here is box stitching and then also bar tacking. So you can see each one of these load-bearing straps is not only box stitched but double bar tacked for extra durability. Behind this polyurethane in the center of the harness, we have an actual hard polyethylene stiffener. All of our side release buckles are made by Duraflex, which is the leading provider of fasteners to the outdoor industry. Here where the straps run through the mounting plate, you can see we've reinforced the webbing with Hypalon for extra abrasion resistance so the buckles and straps won't wear through from vibration. On the back of the dry bag, we have this reinforced armor panel here with a polyethylene stiffener. This is removable, and this is designed to protect the back of the bag from abrasion against the mounting plate. The backpack straps are made from mesh, so they tuck away into this pocket and don't take up a lot of space when they're not in use. Our mounting plates are made from laser cut aluminum, but you can see we have these raised panels here to prevent the back of the buckles and straps from abrading against your pannier rack. Our washers are made from stainless steel. Our bolts are made from steel. Both are treated with black oxide. Our mounting pucks are made from extruded aluminum and they've been anodized blue. Our MOLLE panel is made from Hypalon with webbing bar tacked to the Hypalon, and there is a polyethylene stiffener inside of this, seam binding around the edges, and protective foam on the back to absorb abrasion from the mounting plate. The Scout 25 is an awesome soft pannier system. Because of the lighter weight, it works on a huge array of bikes. You can use it on a big adventure bike like this, or you can mount it on a smaller dual sport as well. It's got a lot of features, it's extremely durable, and obviously we designed it for heavy off-road use, but it also works great for intercity commuting, lane splitting, and stuff like that, because the dry bag can be removed from the bike so easily and the harness cinches up against the mounting plate. It's a great system. I'm sure you'll dig it. If you have any questions, give us a call. We have another video about mounting, so you can check that out and see how it actually mounts to the bike.